Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this super big, huge geode for my wall. First thing I did was got some sanded plywood from Home Depot and I cut out the shape that I wanted it to be. Then I went ahead and got a couple cans of white spray paint and just sprayed every inch of it, making sure I got all the edges. Next I went ahead and mixed up a large batch of Artworks resin and separated it into cups and put in the colors and pigments that I wanted to use. This is going to be the first layer. Don't forget when working with resin, it's very important that you wear a respirator mask and use gloves. What I'm adding here is just a bunch of crushed glass along the edge. After you get all of your resin down, you want to hit it with a heat torch to pop any bubbles. And now I'm going to mix up another large batch of resin to go over and do layer 2. I'm just using the same exact colors I used. I'm just adding more depth to it. And this is how it looks in the sun. I added some gold around the crushed glass so that way it spilled out and made those crazy looking lines. I also took a gold Posca pen and made some hand-drawn lines on there so they looked nice and neat and clean. And then what I did was at the very end, when I was all done, I did another clear coat of resin just to give it some more depth and to make everything even. For the edges, I actually used Pinata Rich Gold alcohol ink that I just squirt into a little cup and painted it on with a paintbrush. I just wanted to mention, when working with glitter in your resin, what happens is when it dries, the glitter tends to float to the surface and it creates like a matte finish. So in order to fix that, the best thing to do is mix up another batch of Artworks resin and do what they call a flood coat and just do another coat over it, and it makes it shiny again. You can find this Artworks resin online at thecraftattack.com. They also carry Liquid Diamonds resin, which is a good casting resin, and they have many other products, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching.